All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that I imagine a lot of people have asked, but they don't know the real answer to. And workers' comp is a huge topic when it comes to individuals who are hurt on the job or have problems while on the job and cannot perform the duties of the job, but not every employer has workers' comp. So, David, if an employer does not have workers' compensation, can the employee that is injured or cannot perform the job sue that particular employer?
Yes, absolutely. And one of the things in California is a lot of employees get injured. The employer says, I don't have any workers' comp insurance to cover you. And unfortunately, some of the employees go into the misunderstanding that, okay, well, there's no workers' comp, there's not much I can do. But under California law, if the employer does not have workers' comp insurance, then thereafter, in California, the law it says is that if the employer has workers' comp insurance, then your exclusive remedy against your employer is the workers' comp insurance. But if they don't have it, then they can hide behind the exclusive remedy and say, hey, you have to only sue my insurance company, workers' comp. Where you argue is, well, if you did, I'd go through the workers' comp, but because you don't have any workers' comp insurance, I get to go after you, employer. The only drawback to some degree is that in workers' comp, you don't have to show whether the employer is at fault or not. If you get injured as a result of any reason, you're going down the stairs, you happen to just lose your balance and fall down and injure yourself because you're at work, you get to recover. On a third-party case, you have to actually show that the employer did something that was negligent. So with the caveat of you being able to establish that the employer did something that was negligent, then yes, you can go after the employer if they don't have workers' comp insurance. I believe in California there's also a state fund that exists that helps people against the employer to recover for uninsured employers that don't have any workers' compensation. So the answer is yes, you can go after the employer.
And David brings up a good point that you would have to establish that they are at fault, which is not always easy. That's why personal injury lawyers get paid what they get paid to do. So if you do have a situation where your employer does not have workers' comp and you obviously need the funds to survive or you need the funds to provide for a family, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. These are cases he has worked in the past and received maximum compensation for his clients. So the phone number will be above in the YouTube video as well as below in the YouTube summary. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.